In today's fast-paced business environment, every minute of downtime costs you. Maximizing printer uptime and availability plays a critical role in keeping your business running smoothly. That's why we created the Xerox Predictive AI for print. Our predictive AI solution for production and multifunction devices is designed to help you minimize unexpected downtime. Our web-based dashboard, powered by artificial intelligence, lets you monitor the connected print devices, utilize action-focused, predictive information for break, fix, and supplies, and enhance overall service performance. While the majority of device maintenance today is reactive, we leverage artificial intelligence, AI, to shift to a proactive model so that you can benefit from a dashboard with near real-time device data, improved device uptime, higher first-time solve rates, increased productivity, and reduced troubleshooting for employees, and seamless integration with your systems. It's all about data-driven efficiency for you, your employees, and your business. Lead the way to a smarter, more optimized future with Xerox Predictive AI for print.